creative. So you're getting ready for the new year. You're getting ready to try to turn your creative life around and get out of block and become the creator you want to be. Are you scared? It makes sense to be scared. After all, you've tried this before and it didn't work, right? I've done that a million times. I have been there. I understand. The challenge for you this year is not just going to be setting your standards. It's not just going to be figuring out how you're going to build this daily habit. The challenge is how you're going to go into it still having hope. A lot of us have been blocked a lot of times for a lot of time. And that's not easy to get over. It starts to have an effect on you psychologically. You start to struggle to believe that you can actually do this. You want to desperately, which is why you keep trying, but believing that you can isn't easy when you've tried and fallen down so many times. There is hope. There is hope. There is hope. As long as you are alive, you can still get back up and figure it out. You are not done. There is no point at which your block or failed art somehow marked you so that you can never try again. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how many times you've been blocked. You can do this. As we're heading toward this new year, I want you to start telling yourself that. It's time to start convincing yourself that it's possible. I know that's hard to do, but I promise you this is worth it. So take a deep breath, creative. Find that shred of hope that's in there. It is there. It is real, and you can do this. Sit down with me now, and let's make something new.